this area 3 weeks ago, something, and the river was very dry. Oh, there's a whole bunch of salmon here. And this is the little bridges they come up to. There's a whole bunch in here. And then just up ahead, there's some salmon bridges. We'll go up to there, check it out. We need some rain. So this is a big salmon stream. I got some video of last year, how high it is. I'll see if I can find the video of the salmon in here and show you the difference. We're going to need some rain to get the salmon up the thing. It's very low, like they couldn't even pass through there. So yeah, I like that. You can see where I'm pointing to. There's Jackson. Keep going. Keep going. Come. Come on. Come on. Okay, then get out of the way. Well, you gotta keep going. Go. Go. Let's go. What are you doing? Actually, I never get to go down here. Usually water's too thick to go down here. Very low. I could just walk the whole creek. So this is the salmon ladder kind of thing. And I'll see if I can find my other video. It's a good comparison because big difference. They can't get up that for sure. Let's go to the other one. It's an amazing little park right beside my house. There's a nice waterfall. I'm not going to go up there today. There's a little waterfall right here. The salmon get up that too. They go as far as they can. Yeah, it's really weird. They're usually around, it's usually pretty high here. Yeah, so we need some rain.